Okay, so I'm going to be replacing this smoke alarm. It's about a 16-year-old smoke alarm that was there in the house when it was initially built. So this smoke alarm, there was a water leak from the attic upstairs. This is on the second floor, and then the smoke alarm started uh, beeping, and all the other connected smoke alarms in the house started. They were triggered and they were sounding the alarm. And then when I disconnected it, removed the battery, the beeping stopped, the alarm stopped. Initially, I thought maybe it's just a weak battery, but then I checked the battery on a multimeter, and it was, I think, just below 9 volts, maybe exactly 9 volts or something like that. So I thought maybe still it is the battery, and then I replaced it with a new battery, which was a little over 9 volts, but the alarm still triggered. So I'm guessing that this smoke alarm was damaged because of the water, like the water damage. And so maybe it just keeps getting triggered. It's BRK. I think that's Brinks. And that's the smoke alarm. Looks like it was made in 2005, August 1st. And let's see, the model number is 9120B. So I found a replacement on Amazon for the same model number, same brand, everything the same. BRK First Alert, uh, 9120B on Amazon. I think it was like 12 or 13 bucks, and it looks like this one, except it's got the trim which is already installed on there. So it comes with the trim and probably the holder, the bracket. This one is just the smoke alarm, so I can just reuse this one uh, instead of this and see if that works. So looking at them, they look very similar. This is yellowed out a bit because of the age and the whatever the chemical reaction, but it looks pretty much the same. BRK smoke alarm. It's got this test button, power test. It says test weekly, and there's a silence mode. This looks similar. There's a test button, silence mode, test weekly, power. That's what it looks like. This has got the words BRK on it. This has got the words first alert. Maybe now it's a different company. So flip it over. It says remove tab to activate battery. So it looks like there's already a battery. Pull in direction of arrow until solid black bars can be seen. So it looks like there is already a battery in here. So I don't have to use my whole battery. And the back looks like this. Obviously we don't need these wire connectors because they're already connected up there. So we probably won't end up needing these or using these. Hopefully the wires aren't damaged with the water. And then this is just the, I just have to rotate this and remove this whole trim piece, and then try to use the same smoke alarm, and hopefully it won't sound the alarm